Hi friends, it's Carrie from Stretch Sheet TV, and today we're going to talk about the science behind Ki-Hara Resistance Stretching and how it can help you unlock your body's full potential. I'll also demonstrate some example stretches that you can incorporate into your fitness routine. So let's get started. Ki-Hara Resistance Stretching is a unique approach to improving flexibility and strength by combining eccentric strength training with stretching. This innovative technique involves contracting the muscle at its shortest length and continuing to gently contract the muscle while it's overcome by a force, such as gravity, another body part, or a partner. The muscle is then stretched to its longest comfortable length in an eccentric strength move, that's what we call a resistance stretch, and then returned to its starting position using a concentric strength move, which is like lifting weights. The result is a dynamic full body workout that enhances both flexibility and strength. Now let's discuss some of the key benefits of Ki-Hara resistance stretching. Number one, increased flexibility. Ki-Hara improves flexibility by lengthening and strengthening muscles simultaneously, resulting in a greater range of motion and improved overall mobility. Number two, improved muscular strength. By incorporating resistance into stretching exercises, Ki-Hara builds muscle strength and helps prevent injury. Number three, enhanced muscle balance. Ki-Hara promotes muscle balance by targeting not only the agonist and antagonist muscles during the exercise, but compensating muscles as well. Number four, reduced risk of injury. The combination of flexibility and strength training helps reduce the risk of injury by promoting proper muscle function and alignment. Number five, improved posture and alignment. Regular practice can help improve posture and alignment by strengthening the muscles that support the spine and joints. Let's move on to some example stretches that you can try at home. Resistance stretching has three main rules. Number one, keep moving. Number two, keep resisting. And number three, stop if it ever feels uncomfortable. So let's get to it. To stretch your hamstrings, lay on your back, bring your right leg up towards your chest with your knee bent. Wrap a rope around your foot and hold both sides of the rope with each hand. You're going to resist by kicking your foot down towards your glutes and at the same time pulling the rope up towards your head. This will give resistance to allow the muscle to contract through the entire movement. You kick down for strength, shortening the muscle, and then pull up for your stretch, bringing the stretch up to the place that feels the most comfortable to you, and then kick right back down. We'll do this for about 5 to 10 repetitions or whatever feels good to you. You should feel a nice stretch in the back of your hamstring. That's the back of your leg behind your thigh. So you're kicking down for strength and pulling up with your arms, allowing your arms to win for the stretch. Now let's switch sides. Bring your left leg up, wrap the rope around your foot, holding the rope strong with both hands. Kick down for strength towards your glutes while you simultaneously pull up towards the wall with your arms, allowing the muscle to stay contracted through the entire movement. Kicking down for strength and up for stretch. Down for strength and up for stretch. Remember to always move, always resist, and if anything doesn't feel good, you can work in a smaller range of motion or just stop the move altogether. Always pull up towards the wall and always kicking down towards your glutes. Now let's go ahead and switch to the next muscle group. Bring your right arm up and grab your elbow with your left hand. Resist like you're trying to pull both arms apart. Then push open to the left and pull across to the right, keeping resistance between both arms all the time. Open for strength and closing for a stretch in the back of your shoulder. Remember to move and resist all the time. Go open as far as feels comfortable and close as far as feels comfortable. And now let's switch sides. Bring your right arm up, grab your elbow with your left hand and resist between the two like you're trying to pull them apart. Push open to the right and then pull across to the left, keeping tension between both arms. Open to the right for strength and close to the left for your stretch. Just move easily back and forth in a way that feels comfortable to you for about 5 to 10 repetitions. Open for strength and close for stretch. So there you have it, an overview of the science behind Ki-Hara resistance stretching and some example stretches to help you get started. Remember that it's important to listen to your body and to work within your limits. Always make sure you consult with a professional if you have any questions or concerns about specific exercises. Ki-Hara resistance stretching offers a unique approach to improving flexibility, strength, and overall fitness. Give it a try to experience the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Stretch Chi TV for more informative videos on Ki-Hara Resistance Stretching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest updates. I'm Carrie from Stretch Chi TV, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.